Ayush, what is your opinion of Theobroma? Yeah, we are waiting for our veg quirky, that that round shape. Oh, Ayush, can you get the thing and come? Okay, okay. Now sit and have the first bite and tell us how it is. And I'm hoping that you drink both the juices because we can't carry them in the car. Okay. Take a bite and tell us, Juno. Okay. Very good. So every Saturday, mother and child, in fact, every weekend, we do it on a Friday, but today we had to go to the veterinary thing. So this looks like a small little pizza, right? It has to be, take it like a cupcake and eat. Carry it in your hand. Yeah, it's like a small little pizza, baby pizza. And it's called a quirky, I think.
Like one of those
Yeah.
pizzas.
Yeah. Take a bite and tell us how it tastes. I'll send it to the founders. Is it good? It's hot. It's hot. I'm also waiting to taste it. And this is at for $110. I think it's good enough.
It's good, not like bad, not good.
Yeah. It's,
Good, not bad.
okay. I'll take a taste of it. So this is how it looks. This looks nice.
Just taste it. Pizzas which have too much crust.
Okay.